Hi, this is Dr. Ashok Muthaya. Today I will present you cases of cough. Case number 1. This is the case of 37-year-old male who is taking treatment from us for alopecia areata since couple of months. On 25/8/2011, he presented with the history of dry, very painful cough which was there since last 2 to 3 days. Now this cough was very constant in nature, consisting of only 2 or 3 bouts. Now this cough would get aggravated whenever he lie down. He would feel better whenever he would drink some warm water. Expectoration was occasionally. Whenever the expectoration was there, he would feel better for just 5 to 10 minutes. The expectoration was white, sticky in nature. Now when we analyze this case, we don't find any characteristic symptoms, as all the symptoms in this case is common, like lying down. So we have to search for some characteristic symptom. When I examined the patient, his chest was clear. On examining his throat, I found that the uvula was very much swollen and elongated. Now this is the characteristic finding of this case. So referring Kent repertory, section throat, uvula, swollen, I mean to say swelling, as in the repertory it is given as swelling, uvula, edematous. Rustox and Phytolacca were the two remedies which were coming very closely. Rustox 1 mg QDS was prescribed for 2 days, as the cough was better by warm drink. After prescribing Rustox for a cough, which was the first time I prescribed Rustox for a cough, the patient was better within 2-3 days. Now, what we learn through this case is that relevant clinical examination may give clue to solve the case. Now, we'll come to case number 2. Now, this is the case of a 10-month-old girl, which is normally bought by her parents for any kind of acute trouble. Similarly, on 25/8/2011, sorry, it was on 17/9, as far as I remember, it was on 17/9/2011, the child was brought by the parents with the history of cold and cough. The cough which was aggravated more during the night time, especially while lying down. Now, Pulsatilla 1 mg TDS was prescribed for 2 days, as Pulsatilla had acted upon her previously also. Now, after giving Pulsatilla for 2 days, the cough didn't improve. So, Pulsatilla 10 mg TDS was prescribed for another 2 days. After 2 days, the parent brought the child. Still, the cough was not better. Now this raised my curiosity. So I asked further question. On further inquiry, they told me the cough was more during the sleep time. It was not in the aggravation by lying down. Okay. Now when we see cough aggravation by lying down in the child, it doesn't make any sense, or it doesn't give any remedy, because there are a lot of remedies. But during the sleep time, there are few remedies only. So considering cough during sleep, sulfur 200 QDS was prescribed for 2 days. Now why I choose sulfur? Because Pulsatilla follows sulfur very well. After giving sulfur, within 3-4 days, the symptom gradually decreased and the child was quite better. Now we proceed to case number 3. Now this is a case which I am going to tell you, but this kind of case we normally encounter in our daily practice. I have taken this case specially because I wanted to tell you about some remedies which we normally come on the first day of the cold. I will explain you through this case only. A 7-year-old girl was brought by the parents with the history of cold and cough which was aggravated at the night time. Now this cough, most of the parents get disturbed by this kind of cough because this cough gives sleepless nights to the parent also and to the child. Now there are remedies, common remedies which normally come on the first day of the cough. They are arsenic, pipersulf, pulsatilla and bryonia. Now in this case, pulsatilla was prescribed because of the mildness of the symptom. Now the other set of remedies like arsenic, epar and bryonia have their own characteristic symptoms. When the symptoms are of milder in intensity, think of pulsatilla, as pulsatilla has got mild cold and cough which is aggravated in the night time. Pulsatilla is characterized by its mildness. Now I will come to the last case. This is case number 4. This is the case of a 58-year-old female who is taking treatment from us for diabetes, migraine and hypertension. One day she came with a history of dry cough. Now this cough was present since last 1 week. Now this cough was aggravated more on lying down, as most of the coughs are aggravated during the lying down position only, and she was better by warm drinks. Another characteristic feature which she told was that whenever she used to cough, she would get lacrimation from the eyes region. So, referring this peculiar characteristic symptom from Kent repertory, eye section, eye lacrimation, cough during, there were many remedies. 10 to 15 remedies were there. Now, when we analyze this case, this patient, chronic remedy is Magmune. Natriumur was chosen as an acute remedy as natriumur is related to Magmune. Now we have finished with the overall cases of cough. Thank you very much. Next time when we will meet, we will be focusing on different systems. Thank you.